In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for bug tracking and issue management. We'll start right from the Monday.com homepage and build out a simple, effective workflow using one of their ready-made templates. Make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account, then head over to your main home screen. This is where you see your workspaces, boards, and anything you've recently worked on. From the home view, look for the option to add a new board. On many accounts, this appears as a button near the left side or top of the screen. Click that option, and instead of starting from scratch, choose the Start with Template option. Using a template saves time and gives you a structure that's already been tested for similar use cases. When the Template Center opens, you'll see a search bar and a list of template categories. In the search, or by browsing the categories, look for the Software Development section. Go ahead and click on Software Development to narrow things down to templates designed for dev teams, bugs, and feature work. Within this category, find the template that matches IT requests or bug tracking. You'll see a preview of the template with some example groups, columns, and views. Click on that template, then choose Use Template. Monday.com will now create a new board in your account based on that structure. Once the board is created, give it a clear, descriptive name so your team immediately knows its purpose. For example, something like bug tracking and IT requests. You can usually type directly into the board title at the top to rename it. If you're prompted to pick a workspace or folder, choose the one where your development or IT team normally works. Next, customize a few key elements so it fits your process. Click into the first group name and adjust it to something like Open Bugs or New Issues. You can add additional groups for In Progress, In Review, and Closed later, but for now, just make sure the starting group names match how your team actually works. Now look at the different views available near the top of the board. You'll see options such as Open Requests, Closed Requests, Form, Team Workload, Status Breakdown, and Kanban. These are all different ways of looking at the same bug data. The Open Requests view focuses on active items that still need attention. The Closed Requests view filters the board to show only resolved issues, which is helpful for reporting and audits. The Form view is especially useful. This is where you or your stakeholders can submit new bugs through a simple form, and each submission automatically creates a new item on the board. The Team Workload view helps you visualize how many bugs are assigned to each team member, so you avoid overloading anyone. Status Breakdown gives you a quick overview of how many issues are in each status. Finally, the Kanban view lets you drag and drop bugs between columns like Open, In Progress, and Done, which is great for daily stand-ups. By starting from this template, renaming the board, adjusting the groups, and exploring these views, you now have a structured, visual way to manage bugs and IT issues inside Monday.com.